Hello children, today we are going to revise chapter number 13 of Moral Science class 3rd. Chapter name is Being Different, and value we are going to learn is respect for others. So do you have everyone like in your class and family? Do you have an older and younger brother sister? Obviously we all have younger brothers and sister. Do they treat you and him or her alike? Do you have different people in your surroundings, such as people who wear spectacles or a hearing aid or crutches to move? Read the story to find out more. So there lived a washerman in a village. Washer means a person who washes the clothes of people. He had a donkey and a dog. Every day he would go to the river to wash clothes. The donkey would carry the clothes, and the donkey lived in a shed outside the master's house. The washerman's house is having a shed outside his house where donkey used to live. The dog stayed inside the house. In the evening, when the washerman used to come back, the dog used to jump on him and lick him. The washerman used to lift the dog and carry him into the house. The donkey used to think, Master does not love him as he loves the dog. Maybe I should do the same as dog. Then only he would love me. So one day what happened? One day when the washerman and the donkey came back, the donkey suddenly jumped on him. He began licking the washerman, and the washerman patted him and took him to the shed. He told the donkey, You are much bigger in size, so you cannot come inside the house. You are heavy, so you should not jump on me. And I can lift the dog, but I cannot lift you. But I like you as much as I like the dog. But you have to understand that you are different from dog. So we should not compare ourselves from the other people, other things, because every individual created by God is different. So let us remember God has created everyone with different abilities. The dog and the donkey are totally different. While the dog was small and the donkey was big, the washerman hence could not lift the donkey. So here are some exercises and question answer in this chapter. Take the right answer. The donkey was big or small? The donkey was big. The dog lived inside the house or shed? The correct answer is inside the house. Then the dog or the donkey carried the clothes to the river? It was the donkey who carried the clothes to the river. The fourth one, the washerman used to lift the dog or the donkey? The waterman used to lift the dog. And last one is the washerman told the donkey that it was same as or different from the dog. It was different from the dog. Okay, so that is the exercise. Life skill. All of us are different in our own ways. Some are tall, some are short, some trim and some fat. Each one is different from other. Just understand this difference. It is important not to feel bad when we do not like some other else one else. We must learn to respect each other's individuality. You can also do this exercise. Here are the pictures of some children. Discuss how they are different. Color the pictures. You can color these pictures and we will different types of people who are different from each other. We will talk about it. Okay. Thank you, class.